Let's make a rum. We're going to start by heating our water. We want it up to 120. I'll take it a little higher because as I dump it in, it's going to lose some. But we're going to use 12 gallon of water, 12 pound of pure cane sugar, 2 gallon of molasses. Okay, so our water is about 140, which is a little bit higher than we want, but it'll dissolve this sugar really well. We've got 8 gallon of water in so far. The last 4 gallons heating up out there on the burner. I've dumped in 12 pound of sugar, and I'm just stirring that up so it dissolves. All right, so we got 12 pound of our sugar dissolved in. We're going to start dumping our molasses. So we've got our 12 gallon of water, 2 gallon of molasses, 12 pound of sugar, all mixed in. The temperature's still about 120-ish in that neighborhood. So we're going to let that set overnight, and then we'll pitch the yeast in the morning. All right, so the rum has set overnight. The rum wash is set overnight to cool down. Just check the temperature. We're at 80 degrees. I'm going to pitch the yeast and put my airlock on and let her roll. It's going to roll 2 weeks. So I'm going to use just over half a cup of yeast, 2 grams per gallon. I've got about 15 gallons it made. So we're going to pitch just over half a cup of yeast. It's 30 teaspoons. That's what it calls for. So here's our rum. I'll pitch the yeast and stir it up. All right, we've got our yeast in. Now I'm just going to stir it. Just give it a stir. It's all sealed up. So this has definitely been a hard run. This is the first time I've ever done a rum and the first time I've ever done an all grain conversion. So I worked on those all evening yesterday, and let me tell you, I hope my efforts are worth it in the end. I think I'm a firm believer in you get out what you put in. And I've put in a lot of time and effort in these 2 mashes, and I'm really hoping that they produce and go further. So I'm going to post this rum video. I'll post the corn conversion later this afternoon. I hope it helps you guys somehow. As always, shine on.